Recently, my family and I went to a trip to Himachal and we decided to do things a little differently. Instead of using taxis and cabs for sightseeing in Himachal, we booked an entire caravan. In today's video, I will show you why you should book a caravan, and towards the end, I will tell you why caravan life may not be for you. So make sure you stick till the end. My name is Himanshi and welcome to Spin the City. We booked a caravan for 3 days, and now let me list out all the pros of living in a caravan. The first pro is that at night it cuts down the cost of a hotel room. Booking a hotel adds up as an extra cost, but if you're traveling and sleeping in the same place, then it's cheaper. Second point, we were traveling with kids, so whenever they needed something, the luggage was always handy and accessible, which usually isn't the case where you're traveling in a car. Next, there is an inbuilt kitchen inside the caravan, so it's so easy to always just bring your own ready to eat food and cook it inside, because when you're traveling, you might not find food anywhere and everywhere. We had packed a lot of cup noodles and Maggi, so it was easy. Next, one night we parked our caravan right outside a river and we stayed the night over there. The experience was unimaginable. You could hear the river sound all night and it was the most peaceful sleep I had ever had. Next, when you compare a caravan to a standard hotel, you don't have the worry of checking out, because when you're in a caravan, you're traveling and living in the same place. So you can wake up aram say even at like 12 o'clock and no one's going to bother you. Next point, inside a caravan, you can convert the table into a bed, you can sleep there, play board games and even play with the children, and it's so much fun, and you can even watch movies. Next, caravan in itself is such a unique experience that I would suggest you should definitely do it at least once in your life. Next, the place is very small and compact, and the design is optimized to its full potential. There are foldable tables, chairs, and even tents, and you can get out and camp anytime and anywhere you want. Now, let's move on to the next part where you might want to reconsider traveling in a caravan. The first point is that traveling in a caravan will give you terrible motion sickness. Plus, if you book it in a hilly area, it's even worse. The only time this caravan probably rests is during the night. So if you're someone with bad motion sickness, stay behind. Second point, if you have a large group, it might be a little congesting. We booked a caravan for 4 people and it wasn't that bad, but if you have a big group, you can always book a bigger caravan, and that's a different case. Third point, since the caravan is always in motion, so using the kitchen, the washroom or even taking out luggage can be dangerous or even irritable at times. Even simply standing and brushing your teeth gets very annoying. It is dangerous for small kids because they'll always be moving out of their place, so you need to make sure they're safe. Next point, parking is an issue because you cannot just park anywhere at any times. We had to suffer a lot because at night when everyone was sleepy, we weren't getting a proper parking spot. You need to take proper permission for parking. It might get a little scary or dangerous at times because you're not always staying near a very well lit areas like hotels. Next point, also because you aren't in a hotel, you won't have doorstep services at midnight, so everything you do is on your own risk, so be prepared. Next point, if you're not someone who hikes a lot or camps a lot, caravan life might get annoying after a while. If you don't book your caravan from a trusted source, you might have small issues like maybe not good water or bad hygienity. So make sure to always book these things from a proper trusted place. And also make sure to check your vehicle properly before paying. Caravans are a little bit bigger than normal vehicles, so you might have trouble getting into every place if you're in a hilly area. Now, if you ask for my opinion whether you should opt for a caravan or not, I suggest that you book it only for a day or two, because after a while it might actually get boring. But this is definitely something that you need to experience at least once in your life. You will make such good memories that you will cherish all your life. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked watching it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or if you want to tell me what video you want to see next, make sure to write it down below. See you in another place in another video. Bye!